Good morning, money magnets and master traders. Futures is doing the Helen Keller. You guys know Helen Keller? Helen Keller was blind and deaf. So when she had to communicate with her action. Futures is doing the Helen Keller. And it's on us to be able to communicate with futures and Nasdaq through the price action. Recently, we bounced off that 200 daily moving average. We back tested the uptrend line that we recently broke down. And as you guys can see, we are still back testing that uptrend line, although price is sloping upwards. I mentioned a few levels yesterday, and one of those levels was 58.81 being my macro level, fib level. That managed to hold. I had a 59.30 level as well. It looked like we lost it intraday or during the day, or we got a daily chart candle close, but you guys are seeing what's happening now. It's recapturing. I also have a fib level at 59.42 that recaptured, and it's still overall looking bullish, retesting a previous sell zone. I do have new pivot levels, and that pivot level is at 59.93.5. 59.93.5. A little bit of a ways away, but that's where the selling pressure is. Clearing that resistant level would clear a fib level and also recapture that uptrend line, making me more confident of being bullish. The pivot level to watch for today, though, is that 59.42.75 level. I recommend staying bullish and favoring more upside up to 59.93 and possibly 6,000 plus if we can manage to stay above 59.42. But if you guys do want to get bearish below 59.42 with 59.03, 58.81, and 58.47 as targets to the downside. Bottom line is 59.42, stay bullish above, below 59.42, bearish below, okay? And here is the Nasdaq also pushing up. Remember, we had an attack of liquidity. The area of liquidity, or the stop losses, where the stop loss would be, was attacked. Stop loss hunting, baby. It's a real thing, guys. It's a real thing. And ever since we recaptured the trend line, we broke down the trend line May 23rd, recaptured it May 27th. Nasdaq continues to push up forward, and we're still above that uptrend line. Now, the level to watch today as far as support goes is 21,562. That's a critical support level that I'm watching today. Fib level, of course. As long as above it, I am bullish with the next resistance at 21,759. We tested it so far and getting a little bit of selling pressure there. But 21,759 is resistant. And if it can clear 21,881, 21,980, 22,078, and 22,200 plus would be my target. Stay bullish above 21,562. And if we clear 21,759, more upside incoming. Do not look to short Nasdaq unless support fails, guys. You guys see multiple times around that 21,562 area, it served as a sell zone. Now we're breaking out. That sell zone is now support. It's now the buy zone. 21,562. Bullish above that level. Do not get bearish on me on the Nasdaq unless we break back below. Okay, so recap. Futures 59.42. Above it is bullish. Do not look to short unless we can break back below that level. And if 59.93 clears, we're heading back to 6,000 plus. We're full on bullish again and not getting bearish below until 59.42 fails our support. And Nasdaq 21,562 is the equilibrium level. Stay bullish above it. 21,759 clears, we're heading up higher. Don't get bearish or look to short unless 21,562 fails to send us back down to 21,384, 21,243, 21,143, and possibly down to 21,000 even. Guys, let the price action guide you. It's doing the Helen Keller. All you got to do is pay attention and react unbiasedly like a sheep. Bah!